As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Solana cost will hit $100 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $250 toward the finish of 2024. Solana will ascend to $400 inside the extended period of 2026, $500 in 2031, $700 in 2032, and $800 in 2034. Solana Value Forecast 2023 to 2024 Solana cost began in 2023 at $9.99. Today, Solana exchanged at $97.08, so the cost expanded by 872% from the very outset of the year. The determined Solana cost toward the finish of 2023 is $124.51, and the year-to-year change plus 1,146%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 28%. In the principal half of 2024, the Solana cost will move to $242.46. In the last part, the cost would add $11.18 and close the year at $253.64, which is plus 161% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Sunday, December 24, $100.51, Monday, December 25, $103.94, Tuesday, December 26, $107.37, Wednesday, December 27, $110.79, Thursday, December 28, $114.22, Friday, December 29, $117.65, Saturday, December 30, $121.08, Sunday, December 31, $124.51, January 15, $134.23, February 15, $154.32, March 15, $173.12, April 15, $193.21, May 15, $212.65, June 15, $232.74. Solana expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $253.64 to $386.08, which is up 52%. Solana will begin 2025 at $253.64, then take off to $264.41 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $275.82. That implies plus 184% from today. Solana forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Solana cost would rise altogether from $386.08 to $874.63, which is plus 127%. Solana will begin 2030 at $386.08, then, at that point, take off to $440.83 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $499.18. It is about plus 414% from today. Solana Value Forecast 2023 to 2024 Solana cost began in 2023 at $9.99. Today, Solana exchanged at $60.58, so the cost expanded by 507% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Solana cost toward the finish of 2023 is $84.02, and the year-to-year change plus 741%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 39%. In the principal half of 2024, the Solana cost will move to $163.61. In the final part, the cost would add $7.55 and close the year at $171.16, which is plus 183% to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $171.16 to $260.53, which is up 52%. Solana will begin 2025 at $171.16, then take off to $178.43 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $186.13. That implies plus 207% from today. Solana expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Solana cost would rise essentially from $260.53 to $590.21, which is plus 127%. Solana will begin 2030 at $260.53, then, at that point, take off to $297.48 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $336.86. It is about plus 456% from today. 11/15/2023 Solana Value Forecast 2023 to 2024 Solana cost began in 2023 at $9.99. Today, Solana exchanged at $58.30, so the cost expanded by 484% from the start of the year. The gauge Solana cost toward the finish of 2023 is $110.78, and the year-to-year change plus 1,009%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 90%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Solana cost will drop to $99.77. In the last part, the cost would add $13.90 and close the year at $113.67, which is plus 95% to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2025 to 2029 these 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $113.67 to $171.02, which is up half. Solana will begin 2025 at $113.67, then dip to $111.74 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $99.48. That implies plus 71% from today. Solana forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $171.02 to $269.30, which is plus 57%. Solana will begin 2030 at $171.02, then take off to $182.01 inside the main portion of the year and finish. It is about plus 231% from today. 11/1/2023 Solana Value Forecast 2023 to 2024 Solana cost began in 2023 at $9.99. Today, Solana exchanged at $38.10, so the cost expanded by 281% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Solana cost toward the finish of 2023 is $68.52, and the year-to-year change plus 586%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 80%. In the principal half of 2024, the Solana cost will drop to $61.71. In the final part, the cost would add $8.60 and close the year at $70.31, which is plus 85% to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2025 to 2029 these 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $70.31 to $105.78, which is up half. Solana will begin 2025 at $70.31, then, at that point, dip to $69.11 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $61.53. That implies plus 61% from today. Solana forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Solana cost